Good morning, it's day 2. It's actually the flag off day right now. And लोग अभी उठ रहे हैं basically, and it's just a minute. It's 3:23 right now, and our third and final crew member is already on his way to the hotel. So अभी 10 मिनट में पहुंचेगा, and by that time all of us will be getting ready. वेदांत ऑलरेडी रेडी हो चुका है. वो वहाँ पे वेदांत go. And leader is to Jai. Where is hi bro. So basically in a minute we'll be getting down and थोड़ा fresh up and ready होके आपसे मिलते हैं. Right now we are all set up and decked up. Hey bro and Vedant, हाँ क्या बोल रहा है? Okay done मैं करके आता हूँ. ये साइकिल लेके जा रहा है and everything is set up. हमको भी अभी निकलना है. I'll meet you at some time and by the way that's how we look. Shoes change होने वाले हैं because I have to drive until the start point. तो let's see. All good. And बाकी तो ये रूम है. That's how was the room tour. Room tour देने लायक कुछ था नहीं. Nothing as special यहाँ पे. इतना सा वॉशरूम, वो बॉम्ब गिराने का एरिया and all set up. टाइम लैप्स तो आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया होगा. Let's leave and meet you in the car or directly at the start point. And in some time, Bobby, Niral and Vedant will be taking up over the camera and वो लोग पूरा vlogging and shooting जो भी है continue करने वाले हैं. Basically shooting वो लोग ही पूरा complete करेंगे. And right now क्योंकि obviously I'll be riding since I'm participating, so I won't be able to record much. But in some places where I'll be able to, I'll continue. Until then. Already venue पे हैं and that's how our car and our bike looks. This one is the one I'll be starting and finishing on probably, hopefully. And RQ 145 सब जगह ये है. And that's Bobby जिससे मिलाने आता. Bobby say hi. And right now our car is all decked up completely. So ये सामान हमने ऐसे भर के रखा हुआ है. That's the Marphologiya, one of the best things probably. Bags, stuff, everything. That's the wheels. और wheels अभी बाहर भी हैं. यहाँ पे पंप वगैरह है, everything. So let's see. Let's go. Fingers crossed. Team Varun Diman. ये कल चालू
Shaktiman, one of the youngest racers to argue at Deccan Cliffhanger.
तो मैं वही कह रही हूँ मैं उस तरफ चली जाती हूँ हमको दे
All set? Drew is also ready. Ready? Ready?